The overall goal of Mindfulness in Motion, a pragmatic intervention for people in high stress work environments, is to significantly increase resiliency and work engagement. This is achieved through weekly 1-hour group sessions that introduce participants to the daily practice of mindful awareness principles, of being mindful as a group, to the utilization of gentle yoga stretches, all while experiencing relaxing music. The respiration rate of participants decreases significantly over 8 weekly sessions, and based on self-evaluation forms, the participants' work engagement and resiliency increases significantly as compared to wait-listed controls.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, like mindfulness-based stress reduction, upon which this program is based, is that it can be easily delivered during the workday and on site.
As Director of Critical Care Nursing, I realized that the physical aspect of the work was significant. However, the staff was incredibly stressed and suffering. Using Dr. Klatt's method, the staff was re-engaged and re-energized. Demonstrating the procedure will be the creator of the program, Dr. Klatt, along with intensive care personnel from the original study.
One week before beginning the MBI, collect some baseline measurements from the participants. Do this after having met with the managers and employees of the high-stress work environment to plan the dates and obtain written consent. Begin with measuring resilience.